Welcome back. So in the previous session we started storing the integer numbers. Storing integer numbers are the techniques. Storing integer numbers are the techniques. Those numbers will be used to store. Those numbers will be used to store with the help of three techniques. Four techniques? What are those? First one is a sign magnitude technique. Second one is a ones complement technique. Third one is a twos complement technique. Fourth one is XS3 code. So with the help of these four, we are storing integers with the signed and unsigned numbers. Signed and unsigned numbers. Now we move to store real numbers. Real number storing. Real number storing is the different from the integer numbers. Real number storing, the precision value we are having. Dot after values we are having the storing real numbers. We know the scientific notations are represented using the real numbers. Scientific notation. In this notation, we can show a real number such as minus 314.625. Now move to minus 314.625. Minus 314.625. Yes, minus 3.14625 into 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 representation. So a real number is made of the sign. What is the real number made of the sign? Precision, sign precision, that is how many bits precision, and the power of the 10, and the power of the 10. How much power of the 10 will be represented? 3 signed. Signed storing real numbers is having to store 3 positions, that is sign, precision and the power. Sign is like that is this, precision is like this, the 10 power 2 are the real numbers we have to say. So if we write the numbers in binary system, if you write the numbers in binary system as like this, as like this, 2100, 10 plus 2, 2100 into, and precision is like this, precision will be is like this, and the sign is like this, 10011, 10101010 into power. For the storing real numbers is having sign, exponent and mantissa. Sign, exponent and mantissa. The sign of the number is stored using the bit 0 for plus, 1 for minus. As usual. 0 is used for positive number, 1 is used for negative number. Okay. Exponent, power of 2, defines the power. Note that the power can be negative or the positive. Power can be the negative or the positive. Excess is the method used to store the exponent. Excess is the method used to store the exponent. Mantissa. The mantissa is the binary number to the right of the binary point. Binary point, right of the binary point. After point, right, whatever the right value is there, that is representing as a mantissa. Identifies the precision of the number. The mantissa is stored as integer. So here also the precision, how many precision bits are there after point, that will be stored in the mantissa. That will be stored in the mantissa. IEEE standard, the institute is electronic engineering. IEEE has defined 2 standards to store numbers in memory. Single and double precision. The real numbers are storing with sign, magnitude and the power. Sign, magnitude and the power. So in IEEE standards we are having sign, magnitude, power will be storing with the first one is the single precision. Second one is the double precision. Single precision and double precision. Single precision will be storing with the 32 bits size and the double precision will be storing in the 64 bits size. Okay. However, how those are storing? See here, single precision in XS 125, XS 1023, XS code, IEEE standard XS code. So here the excess bits, all bits are 32. Single precision will be 32 bits. 32 bits single precisions we are using. In double precisions we are using 64 bits. 64 bits. See here, sign is representing with the one number. Here also sign is representing with the one number. Exponential part representing 8 bits. 1 plus 8, 9 bits. 9 plus 23, 32 bit. Mantis, actual number is stored here. Precision, how many precision bits are stored here? So that is in it. So here the double precision contain IEEE standard floating point representation double precision. Exponent contain 11 bits. 10 plus 11 plus 1, 12 bits plus 52, 64 bits. 52 bits are representing mantissa. Exponent, mantissa and the sign. Sign, exponent, mantissas are storing IEEE standard for storing the real numbers. Okay. So the exponent and sign of the mantissas are representing the storing real numbers is different from the storing positive numbers. Okay. So now we have to see the major. So the major representation of a particular system we move now. The introduction of computers. Next we move to the introduction of computers. How we representing the introduction of computers. Introduction of C we are moved to discuss. Introduction of C. Right. Introduction language. C introduction. Awards and rewards. Who will develop a C language? Introduction of computer. Charles Babbage is the father of the computer. He developed Dennis Ritchie. His name is Dennis Ritchie. McAllister Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie. He developed in 1941 C language. October 2 was an American scientist and he introduced C language. Okay. History of C language. What is the history of the C language? The C programming language was designed in the early 1970s. Where it is developed C language in 1970s, Mr. Ritchie, an employee from the Bell Laboratories, ATN Advanced Technology and Advanced Technology, Bell Labs, he developed that C language in the 1960s. Very present in the 1960s, Ritchie worked with several other companies of Bell Labs on a project called Multitix. Multitix project is there, he developed that. And the globe of the project was the developing an operating system for a large computer that could be by thousands of users, a large operating system they developed. Many of the important ideas of C, that the language BCPL, Basic Computer Programming Language, from that the C language will be developed one after other, okay, developed by Martin Ritchie. So the influence of the BCPL on C proceeded indirectly through the language B. B is from BCPL, okay. So B to BCPL, BCPL to C language, okay, B language written in Ken Thompson. B language is written in Ken Thompson. So that from 70 to C converted, 78 to C programming published first specification and 1989 C989 standard, ANSI C standard is there, C 1990 ANSI C ISO known as C19, okay. So after that 99 mostly backward compatibility C99 is developed. After that not completely implemented in many compilers, but 2007 work on new standard C1X announced. C1X announced for using especially new standard languages are announced to develop the C language. Likewise, C language will be so developed each and every year. Okay. So C language is this. C language. ALGOL is the first language. ALGOL. What is the ALGOL? ALGOL is nothing but a algorithmic language. What is this ALGOL? Algorithmic language. Algorithmic language. After algorithmic language, they developed algorithmic language to basic computer programming language. Basic computer programming language. BCPL. After that BCPL, B language is created. B to traditional 3, traditional T to ANSI, C99 and more editions of 99 to 2000, 2007, like 2017, likewise. Many editions came from the ALGOL language. Likewise, A, B to C language is there. That's why the C language is said to be a C. Alphabetical C. Okay. ALGOL, after ALGOL that 68 ALGOL W, Pascal modular 3, modular programming 2, modular programming 3. Likewise, each and every year there may be many number of changes or many number of additional features are added to the existing ones. Now, so evaluation of the C language, what we see in the previous slides. So various influences. BCPL was designed. After that BCPL, 1969 B language was designed. After 1969 to 1971, one another language is designed for new B language. After new B language, the particular system is developed with the early C language. Likewise, the languages, each and every aspect of the language will be developed with the previous techniques also. Versions and standards, publication features of a particular systems. Okay, version of standard. So C89 has ANSI X3 159 1989 1999. It is developed, publication date is 1989 for basic C language. After that C90 only formatting changes are included for the previous one. After that C95 introducing wcar.h, wctype.h files. After that ISO is C99, they developed long Boolean complex numbers and also some complex.header file from the IEEE format, IEEE. And also they implemented C11, multi-threading, bounds checked, functions, type generous macros are implemented for C 2011. Likewise, many languages are implemented, or many features are added to the previous ones. Right. Move to what is a program? Now, what is a program? What is a C program? Or what is a program? Program, set of instructions. Program is nothing but a set of instructions to perform some task. Program is set of instructions to perform some task. So, for example, multiplication of a table, prime numbers, range, calculating grades of the students, all the tasks. To performing that tasks, we are having A language, a programming language is a language which is performing certain tasks with the help of some programs. The program may be of any language. C, simple C program. Simple C program. Simple C program is storing, for example, hash include stdio.h. Hash include stdio.h. For every part of a symbol, hash, I, N, C, L, U, D, E, every letter has a unique number. A unique number. So less than stdio dot h greater than. So how this program will be storing? In the ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, they developed the representation of every single line of a letter in C language, storing particular number. So hash is store like a 35 number, I is storing 105, N is 110, C is 99, L 108, U 107, D 100. Likewise, every space will also have 32 number, space, comma 44 number. Okay. So likewise, many operations, double quotations 34, backward slash 92 number, semicolon 59 number. Every letter is storing in the computer system as like one number, under one number. For that number is storing in the system as integer format or real numbers also. Okay. So likewise, C programming language, so square brackets is storing 125, close brackets. Okay, open flower bracket 123 number they have to store. So see the many number of ANSI values in the C language. So 0 is null. 0 null, no, 1 no, SO, SOH, STX, ETX, OT, many number of acknowledgement, bell, tab. So alphabets are representing from where? So capital letters alphabets are representing from 65 to up to 90. 65 to 90 capital alphabets are represented. Capital alphabets are 65 to 90 representing. After that, small alphabet 97 to 122 small alphabets are representing. Okay. So after that, many symbols are there. For every symbol has its unique number. For every symbol has its unique number to store the information. So in the ASCII value, American Standard Code for Information Interchange value in C language is like 255 characters from 0 to 255. 0 to 255 characters. So every number, under every number, storing everywhere. So how to execute process? Execution process of a program. Execution process of a program. How do we execute a program? First we have to write a program. First of all, we have to write a program. So that program will be given to the preprocessor hello.c. Preprocessor hello.c. After that, hello.i to the compiler, C compiler. After that, hello.s assembly language. Assembler will be used to translate assembly language to the linker to the loader to the executable program. So compilation process is done like this: preprocessor, compiler, assembler, linker, loader. In this, these all the techniques available particularly compilation process. Compilation process is the process in which the execution of a C program, main high-level program into machine understandable program, the translation will be done. The translation will be done with the help of these processes: preprocessor, CPP, compiler, CC compiler, okay, assembler, AS assembler, linker, LD, loader, source program to the executable program. The steps will be decreases. Steps in execution of a program. Steps in execution of a program. What are the steps required? So source program writing in the editor. After that, preprocessor, expanded source code. Preprocessor will be given to the preprocessor. After that, compiler will translate the high level language to low level. Assembler is a language code that is assembly level language. From that assembly level language, the assembler is a program. Linker, object code. Linker will be displaying object code, and also the loader will also be the program. All these are program. Editor, preprocessor, compiler, assembler, linker, all are the programs. What are those programs? Editor, what did editor do? Editor, it always it is a system program. What is the editor? Editor is a system program in which we have to return the programming code. Editor. Out of that preprocessor, the processes which are done before the actual compilation of the program are done by the preprocessor. Actual compilation of the program we have to done with the preprocessor. Compiler, it checks for the syntactical error. Compiler checks for syntactical error program. If there are any errors, if there are no errors created, the machine code of the same program will be generated in the compiler. Okay. After that, assembler, it converts the assembly language code, microprocessor language, assembly language, microprocessor language into the machine understandable language. Assembler is a program. Compiler is a program. Editor, preprocessor is a program. Linker. Who is a linker? Linker is various files. Linker is a links various files of the compiler to the form of object code, object files. Object code and object files will be linked to the linker. So loader, what is a loader? It loads the program of the memory to create the execution file. So after performing all these operations, the loader will be used to load the files, executable batch files, all the files will be loaded. Okay. So with this we stop this session. We stop this session to continue to the next class in the next topic. Okay. Thank you.